Hello students, today I will be discussing about ionization energy and electron affinity. Let's start with ionization energy. So what is ionization energy? Ionization energy or IE is the minimum amount of energy required to remove the most loosely bound electron, that is the valence electron of an isolated neutral gaseous atom or molecule. So for example, we have taken a atom of oxygen, that is a neutral atom of oxygen, where atomic number of oxygen is 8. So 2 electrons are placed in K shell and rest of the electrons, that is the 6 electron, is placed in L shell. Okay, so this is K and that is L. So we can see that the loosely bound electron, that is the electrons in the K shell, are the loosely bound electron, that is the valence electron. Okay, so to remove this valence electron from this oxygen, to make this oxygen a O plus, the minimum amount of energy required to do this is called as ionization energy. So the minimum amount of energy required to remove this electron and make this neutral oxygen atom O plus is called ionization energy of oxygen atom. Okay, so this oxygen atom, this neutral oxygen atom plus ionization energy minus electron gives O plus. This is cationic oxygen energy. So by giving ionization energy to an element, that makes that element positive, that is cationic. Okay, so by ionization energy, what we meant is, by this energy we can change a neutral atom to a cationic atom, a cationic species. Okay, so the next topic is electron affinity. So what is electron affinity? Electron affinity or EA is defined as the amount of energy released when an atom is attached to a neutral atom or molecule in the gaseous state to form a negative ion. It is opposite to ionization energy, where ionization energy, we to remove an electron we give energy, but here to attach the electron, to attach a electron in the valence shell or loosely bound shell, okay, a amount of energy is released. This amount of energy is called electron affinity. Okay, here amount of energy is released, that is electron affinity. But in ionization energy, to remove this electron we have to give some minimum amount of energy. Here we have to give energy to release this energy, to release this electron. So this energy is called ionization energy. But in electron affinity, after adding an electron, the amount of energy is released. So here amount of energy is released. This amount of energy is called electron affinity. Okay, here we have also taken the neutral oxygen atom and to add this electron. Okay, after adding this electron to this oxygen atom, neutral oxygen atom, that makes oxygen negative. Okay, so after adding an electron, this electron, an amount of energy released, this amount of energy is called electron affinity or EA, which makes the neutral oxygen O negative. Okay, this can be represented as this, as that. Okay, so oxygen plus electron, that makes oxygen negative plus energy released. This energy is called electron affinity. Okay, so in case of ionization energy or electron affinity, both are proportional to charge by radius. Okay, so in a group where if we go from up to bottom, okay, so radius increases. As going from up to bottom in a group, the radius or size increases. So as the size increases, the electron affinity or the ionization energy will be decreased. Okay, but whereas in a period from left to right, if we go from left to right, the radius, as we also know that radius is decreased, so the electron affinity or ionization energy will be increased. Okay, so it should be remembered that the ionization energy and the electron affinity both are proportional to charge by radius. If radius is high, then the ionization energy or electron affinity will be low. If the radius is low, then electron affinity as well as the ionization energy will be high. Okay, I hope you guys understood this very well. If you have any doubt, then feel free to ask me. Okay, thank you.